So over here, you can see that I have a PDF file opened up on Google Chrome. So if I were to scroll down, scroll up, you can see that there's different slides which are available over here. So if I want to extract a few pages separately, then what I can use is I can use something called the print option. So if I were to click on print, you can see that it first prints out all of the pages. But what I want to do is I want to shift the destination to save as PDF right here. And then in the pages, I want to set a custom range. So let's say, for example, I just want to print out page number 1, let's say, for example, 3, and page number 7, for example, right here. What happens is that there are 3 pages right over here. So once you go around and decide the number of pages that you want to extract, you can click on save, and then what you can do is you can go to desktop and then click on save, just like this. So once you do that, you can see that the PDF file is here, and if I were to open that up, you can see that the only selected 3 PDF files are here, as you can see. And that is how you can divide PDF files from within Google Chrome. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.